Hey guys, welcome back. I know I've been MIA for a little bit. I did some vacationing, a little bit of reflecting on kind of where I wanted to bring this channel. And I love reviews, and seems like you guys love unboxings and reviews, and I love it. So I think I'm gonna kind of take it that way a little bit more. And yeah, I just want to bring you the best value and content for you guys. So if you do like this and you like the reviews I do, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That lets YouTube know I'm doing a good job and helps me grow this channel. I am trying to be able to grow this channel to get more things to review to give you guys better feedback. So I actually reboxed these because I've been using them for 2 weeks, but I wanted to give you guys really good value and things that are of value to me. So, you know, it was so valuable. I was like, I got to rebox it so I can unbox it. So just because they did a really good job. So this is the Mvmt eyewear. I was starting to get really dark circle, like noticeable, and they've started to disappear actually. So you can kind of see a little bit of darkness down here, but I spent a lot of time on the internet on my phone. So I got these Mvmt blue light blockers. They come in this little box. It's kind of heavy actually. I was like, geez, what did they do? Put some pliers in there? Like it's quite heavy. There's a little piece that came on top of it, and then this, like, I would say pretty exquisite little case. Like this is pretty nice. They've got it's a matte finish. They have their logo embossed right there on it. And then you open it up. They have a lens cleaner, and then the glasses themselves. This is like a velvet inside, and then their little logo brand right there. And yeah, so it's just a magnetic soft close. It does pretty good. I actually bent it. I bent the box in my car, so this thing does bend. Looks like it might be, it's probably metal since how it it magnetically latches. It comes with, looks like some join the Mvmt contest, share and get $15 off. So you can you guys can do this. Give your friends $15 off when they order. You'll get $15 in-store credit. So if you guys just click mvmt.com/share, that's pretty cool. Get $15 off your first order. That's pretty sweet. But I will say, I've been using these. I was out in Vegas the last 10 days, and people were like, yo, you got glasses? I'm like, no, like I really care about my eyes, and I noticed my eyes started to be more dry in the mornings, and you know, they would get really red towards the end of the night, and in the morning my eyes would, like, I was getting really dark, like bags under my eyes, and I was kind of pissed. I was like, I'm only 28, like I feel like I should be in a better spot with my eyes, and I get 8 hours of sleep, 7 to 8 hours, sometimes 10 hours, and I know oversleeping can cause that. I've actually done quite a bit of research on why we get bags under our eyes. So I did get these Mvmt, I forget what they're called, but I'll put them in the description below. But they are pretty sweet. They were, I think retail was like $75 or something. They got here fairly fast actually. I was surprised. So I think it was like 5 days, and we were going out on, we were going to Vegas, and I was like, oh, like they're not gonna get here in time. I was kind of pushing, I was towing the line a little bit. But anyway, the glasses came out really good. I will say that this one side, it seems like it's a little loose, and then this side, it's pretty stiff. So I don't know if that's designed on purpose. They have a little gold logo inscribed on the inside in here. It says join the Mvmt, and then on the outside over here, it has their brand as well. It says Mvmt or Mvmt, and that's on both sides as well. So yeah, I think it says Velar Crystal Blue 5717 145. So I think that's what these are called, the Velar Crystal Blue. But they do really good. I noticed when I was watching TV and stuff, when I was on the computer, when I was on my phone, you know, even with or without the blue light filter on my phone, I feel like my eyes were still progressively getting better. And I don't feel like, other than the fact that I don't wear glasses, I just feel like they were dirty all the time, because I was like, I probably touched my face a little too much, or my glasses, or I'm pushing them up. I'm just not used to glasses. So yeah, it made it pretty interesting for me to kind of live the life of glasses. I have really good eyesight, but I value my eyes so much, so I got these to try to protect them Super valuable. Your eyes are super, super valuable. I can't stress that enough. So if you guys like these, give this a thumbs up. Like I said, I'm on a mission to grow this channel. So by you subscribing and sharing this with your friends and family, it helps YouTube know I'm doing a good job, and it helps push me through the rankings. If you would do that for me, it would mean the world to me, and I'll be back with another review shortly. Thanks for watching.